What is kites?
Kites is more like a dream for me.
For me, kites is more like an intermediary between government and general public.
For me, actually, Kites is a creative NGO.
Kites is an opportunity to fulfill all our dreams through a collective effort. Even in my school days and even in my college days, I used to have a lot of dreams in my mind, like what I should do and all. But I never knew like how should I make it practical and all. So that is when I thought, what if I had a team along with me?
Creativity is all about connecting things, right? So we bring people together. We bring people from different diverse areas, different domains, and then we'll come up with a new innovative idea.
Moreover, Kites will be a place where you will be accepted the way you are.
Why kites?
Why kites? Because you know the very word says that KITES, kites, kindling insights, transforming and empowering society.
Kites is an incubator for social entrepreneurs. Kites is for capacity building. Kites is for networking. It's more like a catalyst of your individual dreams and aspirations, but you can actually make it practical and see it happening.
We often felt that people will always have some good ideas to change the society, and most of those ideas get dropped. Maybe they won't get a financial support, or they won't be able to form a team, or they don't know how to execute the part. So in Kites, we offer them that.
Which is your favorite project?
My favorite project would be the Kalam Fellowship. Through this fellowship, we are trying to change those socially conditioned norms in the society, and we believe that this would be a roller coaster of surprises to the fellows.
My Santa is my favorite project till now, because My Santa project painted a different meaning to the word charity. We were able to be with the children, sharing love and joy. For most of the members, My Santa was emotionally fulfilling.
I loved a lot of elements from all these projects put together. Like for instance, if you take the case of Voice of India, what struck me was this idea, like thinking independently together. That was, like very unique.
What is the strength of kites?
The strength of Kites would be the members and volunteers in it. Even though we have distinct ideas, we are from different backgrounds, but we have a common goal.
In my opinion, it's top-down structure and it's very foundation.
It's diversity, because when we come up with an idea, we'll get every possible dimensions of that idea.
I think it is the structure of the very organization that I have noticed, and because it's very strong. Apart from that, I think it's the networking possibilities that one get once you're into Kites, because you can get to know each other, from across the state, from across the country. So there is this whole set of networking possibilities in Kites, and I think these are the two elements that I have noticed as the strength of this organization.
What binds you together?
It's love and maybe mutual respect. Every volunteer I work with in Kites, they had this commitment towards a project. No matter who came up with that idea, everybody will work in that project as if it's their own project.
We are individually not that perfect, because we have our own weaknesses and vulnerabilities, and we acknowledge them to each other. So I think that is something very common in us. All of us are different, or all of us are unique. So I think that's what we have in common, and that's what binds us. Kites Foundation is committed towards conservation of nature. So from the very Summer Pots campaign to the very recent Sustainable Tourism Development Project in Munnar, we try our maximum with utmost care to meet this green protocols, or say, to be eco-friendly as possible. We believe that education is different from literacy. Education is complex and comprehensive, and we are trying our level best to address the differences in the opportunities that rural and urban children get.
Who is the founder of kites?
It's just happened.
Yeah, Kites is actually the brainchild of Ajmal and Claire. They are the founders of Kites. They actually started a WhatsApp group in the beginning of 6 to 7 people, and those people made Kites possible.